Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next prize targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive crash, giving us a low at around the $0.018 mark. And after seeing that low, you can see that we have been trying to recover to the upside, where I have also been trying to track a 5-wave move to the upper side, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in red, terming that as the first wave. Then we saw this breakdown move over here in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and you can see that we were able to get into the area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382. We saw a reaction of that and started this bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And you can also see that Gala Games is also holding above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure that I have right here, which is enough confirmation that this move at some point it's going to get even more impulsive and give us higher prices and also fully maximize our target areas, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618 in that wave 3, and that is at around the $0.02887 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do in that wave 3 to the upper side. And for that move to also play out, I'm watching for a break above significant areas of resistances here on the charts. And the first area of resistance that I'm watching is at around the $0.025 mark, because a break above that, we can also be able to break above the area at around the $0.02616 mark, get a successful retest, then continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas at around the $0.028 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do in that massive breakout to the upper side. We also need to have in mind that things can go against what we expect, and we can expect further breakdown also. And in case further breakdown plays out here on the charts, then we can expect Gala Games to find support within this red target area down here, and within that area we can also be able to restructure our Elliott wave count and also have new target areas on the charts. We also need to have that in mind. Also jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you my long-term point of view here on the Gala Games chart, still basing it on the Elliott wave structures, you can see that Gala, after giving us the December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.0653 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started breaking down in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure, fully maximizing our minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. I remember saying to you that we lost significant areas on the Fibonacci's after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, where we lost the Fib level 0.78, though at the time of this recording, we are holding above the fib level 0.88, and there are chances that these could still be a second wave, and Gala games could still give us that massive bounce that we expect after seeing the formation of a larger edit wave count 2, and give us an impulsive move in the formation of that wave 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low for the second wave is in and the impulse has now started, I'm expecting Gala games to give us the 5 wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a move on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. But in case further breakdown continues, then we can expect the worst case scenario here on the Gala games chart, where in case we lose the fib level 0.88 once more and continue seeing further breakdown, then there are chances that we could see a 100% retracement on the charts in a move that could also give the chances of seeing a new bear market low. We also need to have that in mind in case further breakdown continues. But in case we are able to recover and get a 5 wave structure, then chances are Gala games is now giving us another impulse in the formation of that larger edit wave count 3. And that is what I'm expecting on the Gala games chart. On the indicators, we are trading at around the 56 mark on the RSI. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.